Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Klaviyo with Canva. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, click on the profile icon in the bottom corner of the Klaviyo dashboard. This icon usually represents your account settings. After clicking it, navigate to the Integrations option. Here you will find the option to add integration located in the top corner of the page. When you click on this, you will see a list of all available apps for integration. Next, look for the Designing and Content category and click on it. From this category, select Canva. Once you've found Canva, click on Add App in the top corner. You now have the option to use this integration in either an existing design or a new design. For this tutorial, we'll select Use in New Design. Now, pick any canvas that you want to work with from the options provided. After selecting your canvas, click on the Connect button. A new window will appear asking for permission to connect. Scroll down in this window and click on Allow. Once you do this, your Canva account will be successfully connected to Klaviyo, enabling you to design and send visually appealing emails. I'm also offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generated over $80,000 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.